Good morning, Eastview. Hope you had a great weekend and enjoyed the weather. Today's a big day. We are doing our Flipgrid uh, virtual vacations. That's the big thing, is getting those turned in. So you can see right here on the Google Classroom, this is where you turn it in. Also, above it in Essential Tools, here's how to use Flipgrid if you forgot. I doubt anyone has, but here's the screencast one where it shows you how to make the screencast. And then below it's just using Flipgrid in general. You guys have been doing a great job, so no really concerns. Best tip for today, before you do, watch the sample tour. This is the one I made right here on this link with my family, and I really think that'll help you guys out. These will be graded tomorrow morning, so make sure you get those in tonight. There's two separate grades, one for Google Earth and then one for Pixlr Edit. So two separate grades on these. Should be fun. Have fun with it. The time limit is at 2 minutes. However, I don't think anyone's going to get close to that. Yours will be shorter than mine as far as how much talking you have to do. So I'd be shocked if you're over 1:30. But that's it. If you have any questions, then let me know. And have a great day today, guys.